Hi, welcome to the NordPass video guide. I'm Simas, a sales engineer here at NordPass. In this video, you'll learn how to use the activity log feature in NordPass. Let's get started. The activity log is an essential cybersecurity feature that allows you to monitor organizations' member activity and conduct compliance audits. With its help, you can keep a detailed record of all access-related users' interactions and generate transparent usage reports in no time. Here you can see a summarized list of actions performed by all members, including vault access, business account activity, member invitations and management, organization setting changes, item access and changes, and sharing. Keep in mind that you can also fine-tune your search by selecting the exact time frame or member associated with each activity. Also, please note that you can analyze the activity log data from NordPass in your SIEM tool. For instance, if you use Splunk, integrating NordPass is straightforward, allowing your activity log data to be automatically transferred to the Splunk platform. Once the integration with Splunk is set up, you can use Splunk dashboards to track employee logins to NordPass, the activities of organization owners and administrators in the business admin panel, and user actions in the NordPass application. Alternatively, if you would like to integrate our events with your custom event application for specific statistics, custom alerts, or automated actions, you can extract the reports via API in JSON format. Great, now you're all set. If you have any questions about this topic or NordPass in general, contact our customer support team for assistance. Stay safe.